McIntosh, Executive Director here in Boulder, Colorado at Kutandara, where we're working on a song today called Shamwari, friends, or friendship in the Shona language from Zimbabwe. It really exemplifies all of the magic of Zimbabwean music, but simplifies things in enough of a way that this song is accessible to nearly every Zimbabwean marimba player. Now again, remember, the chord structure of this song is C major for the first 2 beats of the question, then G major for beats 3 and 4 of the question. In the answer, we move to D minor for beats 1 and 2, which is almost for everyone just up 1 step from C major. And then finishing on G major, again, like the question does. So the first thing you have to know to feel really comfortable with the chord break is you have to know your chords. And if you've been avoiding chord theory, this is the perfect song for you to get up to speed on. Your first chord is C major. In marimba world, that's just made of 3 notes, C, E, and G. And so we've got C, E, and G. You need to be able to find those easily on your keyboard. So go ahead now and just take a second and find your C major notes. Your D minor chord, which is the chord that you start your answer with in the song, is 1 step up or to your right from your C major chord. So D, F, and A. Now if it were F sharp, that'd be a D major chord, but it's not. In this song, it's D minor, so we've got D, F, and A. And then that just repeats itself on your keyboard. If you're used to finding the C major chord, the D minor chord is just 1 step to your right, D, F, and A. Then the one other chord that you need to know in order to play the song Shamwari is the G major chord. G major starts on the note G and goes every other note, G, B, and D. And if you're on a standard C to C2 octave instrument, you're going to have 1 extra note, the 5th of that G major chord on the bottom, your D. And it is part of that chord, and you can play any combination of those notes. And it's called G major. So once you're familiar with those chords, you can find them easily. You're not confused about what notes to play or which notes go together. The chord break for this song Shamwari is actually pretty easy. We're going to spend 2 beats on C major, and then we're going to spend 2 beats on G major. Then we're going to spend 2 beats on D minor, and then we're going to go back to the same chord that we played at the end of the question for the end of the answer, which is G major. The trickiest part for your group, of course, or maybe even for you personally, is going to be the syncopation of the da-da-ga, 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 then on the beat. Stay safe and have fun, guys.